Welcome to another Dr. Fogg Explores Maths. This map is made by Azman Azim. So let's see if I can get past Azman Azim's map. Instructions. To find a way out, sum the equation and push the correct button. Answer will be given along. Pushing the wrong button will kill you. Nearest round-off answer can also be the answer. Okay. Round 1 to 5. Step to start. Ooh. Okay. 6a equals 24. So what does a equal? 24 divided by 6, that would make 4. Round 2. Question, what is the answer to -1 plus 9 minus 1? Ooh, these are getting trickier. So, plus 1 minus 9 is 8. And minus another one is 7. Round 3. 49 equals 7m. So, what does m equal? 49 divided by 7, that would make 7. Round 5. Write 1,500 over 100 in the lowest term. So 1,500 divided by 100 is 15. Round 5. Is this answer correct? -1 is bigger than -100. Yes, it is. Woohoo! And that was the map. Well done, Azim. Right, let's try something really cool then. Ready? What happens when I do 1? Let's have a look. Ah, I died. Okay, what else there is? So, there's the 4. What did I get this one wrong? And I put 4. Ah, okay. This is a cool game. So, it is well worth visiting. Okay, thank you very much for making it.